Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. One of my American friends used to say that I'm the only Indian she knew who likes a salad. Well, this dressing will convert anyone into a salad enthusiast. So let's start making the signature Yum Yum Yogi dressing by reflecting on this awareness. Your self-esteem flourishes because you can create harmony within yourself and in all relationships. So let's start by combining vinegars. For a total of half a cup of combined vinegar, we are going to use 3 kinds of vinegars: apple, cider, rice, and balsamic. If you don't have 3 different kinds, use 2 different kinds, or just use 1 kind. But if you just have 1 kind, use apple cider, not the regular vinegar. That's really bad for you. To that, add 1/4 cup of water. And to this, add 1/3 cup of soy milk or pea protein milk, some kind of high protein milk, plant milk. And add some sweetener. I'm using agave. You can use sugar if you want. And let's add some olive oil. I don't like my salad dressing to taste too much of olive oil, so I'm using half olive oil, which is half a cup of olive oil, and half a cup of sunflower oil or grapeseed oil, any kind of neutral oil you can use. And to this, add 2 tablespoons of dried Italian seasoning. If you don't like the flavor of Italian seasoning, add any other seasoning you want, or just add 1 tablespoon or even 1 teaspoon is fine. To this, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mustard. And salt and pepper to taste. And I'm using an immersion blender and blend all of this really well. And there you have one amazing salad dressing. Let's construct the salad. Let's take 1 head of romaine. Actually, I'm just taking a romaine heart. You can add anything you want in your salad. Because I had these in my fridge, I'm using these ingredients. So let's wash and spin the romaine. The reason you spin romaine is because the dressing needs to stick to the leaves, otherwise it just falls off. So now add some carrots and some cucumbers after that. And so the dressing I've shown you is what I usually make. But if you want to change it, of course you can change it. But the way I make it, it really is very tasty. So I would suggest you try it like that. Now cut the cucumbers into thin strips like you cut the carrots. I'm adding Kalamata olives. Some cranberries, craisins, I think these are called. Raisins are fine. Even dried mango is very tasty. Sliced almonds. And there is one wonderful salad. That's it. But before we taste it, let's remember your self-esteem flourishes because you can create harmony within yourself and in all relationships. So first, let's taste the salad dressing. It's nice and creamy. Yum, yum. I can taste the Italian herbs. I can taste the creaminess of the dressing. It's a little bit of vinegar, which I love. And it's really yummy. All right, now let's put the dressing on the salad. A generous amount. I like a lot of salad dressing. Now let's taste it. Let's get this cucumber, carrot, Just a minute. I didn't want to talk with my mouth full. But that salad and that dressing is so yummy. I can have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's really yummy. Yum, yum.